Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Today we are going to look at questions June 1 to questions paper 42 1C. The table below lists the data relevant to the formations of magnesium chloride. By constructing the relevant thermochemical cycle, use the above data to calculate a value for number 1 enthalpy change of solutions of magnesium chloride. So the first step is to construct an equations for enthalpy change of solutions of magnesium chloride. So that will be MgCl2 solid plus AQ forms Mg2 plus 2Cl minus aqueous. Alright, so now by referring to the data that we have, okay, right, we have the enthalpy change of formations of magnesium chloride, okay, which is this value. So, and the magnesium chloride, solid magnesium chloride is over here. So basically what we can do is we can point an arrow up to this and we're going to write the elements that form this magnesium chloride. So which will be Mg solid plus Cl2 gas. So this is the enthalpy change of formations of magnesium chloride solid, and the value will be negative 641. Alright, now the next thing we need to look at is this table. We do have formations of magnesium chloride, but it's in aqueous state. So if you look at this side, alright, so basically this two add together is actually equals to MgCl2 aqueous. So I can safely say that from here to here, this is actually the formations of magnesium chloride in the aqueous state. So therefore, this value is negative 801. Alright, so therefore, the enthalpy change of solution can be solved by the negative, because the arrow is pointing towards the reactant. Whatever arrow that's pointing towards the reactant should be the negative arrow. So it's negative 641. And this arrow is pointing towards the product. So it's a positive arrow. So positive followed by this will be positive negative 801. So your answer is going to be negative 160 kilojoule per mole. Alright, so this is for questions 1. Whereas for question 2, we'll need to construct a cycle to calculate the enthalpy change of hydration. Alright, so then again, we're going to construct the same equations where we have MgCl2 solid plus aqueous forms Mg2 plus aqueous plus 2Cl minus aqueous. Alright, this time the information that we haven't used is the lattice energy of magnesium chloride. So therefore, when we point up here, we're going to construct the lattice energy equations whereby it is 1 mole of ionic compound is formed from its element in the gaseous state. So it will be Mg2 plus gas plus 2Cl minus gas. And therefore, this will be my lattice energy. So it will be negative 2526 kilojoule per mole. And we also have the hydration's energy. So this hydration is from gaseous ion to aqueous ion, which is negative 1890. But this is our enthalpy change of chloride. Because it has 2 moles, so this value will be 2x. And since this value is negative 160 kilojoule per mole, which is carried forward from the answer above, so we can calculate this value by making a calculation like this. It will be negative 160, which is this one, equals to, look at this arrow. Now this arrow is pointing towards the reactance, so it should be a negative arrow. So it's negative 2526. And now this arrow is pointing towards the product, so it should be a positive arrow, positive 2 times negative 28. Sorry. It will be a positive value with negative 1890 plus a 2x. So if you're able to solve the x, that will be the final answer.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.